So if you're a subscriber, what go on? If you're new to the channel, subscribe to 4K Shella Energy, and in this one, I will talk about Drake and Popcaan. So just get comfortable and I could kick this off the right way.
You know it's Giant G-Man representing for 4K Shella Energy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, like, comment and share. Click the bell to be notified.
Let's write a foot, them a full unruly. Big car, big guns.
So if you're a subscriber, most are not supposed to know the history between Drake and Popcaan. Yeah man, the two entertainer basically apart for years now. Yeah man. But the thing is now, reason why I choose to talk about this topic is because Drake was caught wearing nail polish. Yeah man. The entertainer was seen wearing nail polish, and a lot of people have a lot to say about this. Yeah man. So I'm gonna show you the picture, and when the video done, you can let me know what you think. Feel free to speak your mind, and I don't know, I'm gonna reply back and make you know what me think. Yes me? But anyways, as I say, Drake was caught wearing nail polish and people are talk about it a lot. Yeah man, people even are burn off Popcaan because Popcaan, same one was say yo, he love family, also did a thing to his brother, his blood brother. So I'm gonna get into it. So just pre the picture and I tell you what go on. So, if you're a subscriber, as you can see, Drake is wearing some yellow nail polish. Yeah, man. And you know the code already when it comes on to Jamaica. Things like them there, we would have say, yo, you're gay, you're wild. Speaking of why, Popcaan same one, forward pan the media with the same why. You see me? Yeah, man. So when I do something shaky, you don't know, you're bridging the would say, yo, why? You see me? You're wild. You see me? So a Popcaan basically make the word go viral. So my question is, or basically everybody question, why when Drake do something like this, Popcaan no drop his company? Why when Drake do something like this, Popcaan don't cut him off? You see me? I not try to beat pan the artist, I not try to beat pan Drake, but Popcaan drop his brother company because him brother eat the buff. Yeah man, you're supposed to know me attack already. Popcaan find out saying brother eat the buff and Popcaan stop deal with him brother completely. You see me? And the fact is that I'm blood brother. You see me? So when Drake do something like this, why Popcaan don't burn him out and drop his company? You see me? That's my question. I don't know who can answer that, and at least me know what is going on. You see me? And I know a lot of you want to know the answer for that. You see me? But me want to know for myself, to be honest. As I say, I not beat pan nobody. I not beat pan Popcaan, I not beat pan Drake. You see me? Two good artists them. Legendary artists them. And me just give my opinion on it. Because it messed up for know say you have a brother and you basically cut off a man, cut off every contact with the man. And you have a friend who you par with we also do things like these. So if Popcaan brother preem right now, well, I have to understand that. I understand the reason, you see me? So if you're a subscriber, I'm going to show you some of the comments where the people they must say about Drake. Yeah man, it don't look good at all. So just pre this. So the first comment says, he's been hanging around Little Yachi too much. Second comment says, said I'm a lesbian, girl, me too. So that comment is basically from a song that Drake and Little Baby featured in. You see me? In name Girls Want Girls, and you're supposed to know it. And the next comment says, I never saw these comments when other rappers did it. Why did suddenly, since Drake did it, it's gay now? So what I get from that comment there is that other entertainers out there that wear nail polish. You see me? But don't get me wrong, via subscriber. I don't really see the big deal about wearing nail polish because I know a man out there that put on the clear nail polish them. But you see, the color one them they're for female, them they look gay. You see me? But the clear one them, I know men out there that put on the clear nail polish them. You see me, viewer subscriber? But my problem is, or my issue is that Popcaan beat his own brother because he did something like that. Him eat the buff. You see me? But you par with somebody will also do things like that. You par with somebody who paint them fingernail, you see me, in a bright color, and yet you still par with them, you don't say nothing to them. You see me? So a lot of people are beat Popcaan, and you can't wrong them. Cause your blood brother, you dash your blood brother for your friend. So if you're a subscriber, you can make me know what you think about this. And remember, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy. If you're new to the channel, run up it to 1,000. Respect for the support me I get. Love all on and soon in our next one. Peace.